Guys, welcome to Pompano Beach. Today we're about to film new project, Waldorf Astoria. It's one of the newest addition to the beautiful city. And lately there was a lot of great projects here. And this is the latest one. And we're gonna meet my good friend Reta. She will give us a full tour. Let's go. Thank you. Hi Reta, good to see you.
Such a pleasure. Thank you for coming in.
So, we are at Waldorf Astoria, right? And this, as you mentioned, one of the newest addition to Pompano Beach.
Yes.
Please
we
give
are
us a
super
tour.
excited. The Related Group and Miramac Ventures have partnered with the brand Waldorf Astoria to create the first ever residential only components of Waldorf Astoria. So here we have a collection of 2, 3, and 4 bedroom floor plans. Our architect is Nicholas Architect, along with Enya Landscaping.
So the project is located in Pompano Beach, right? It's right on the ocean side.
Directly on the sand. And where we're located is truly private because you have to live at one of the condo residential buildings next door to access that beach.
Oh, okay,
so
that's good.
It feels like a...
So the beach is not, not crowded, right?
It's not crowded at all. So we have 200 feet of oceanfront beach as well. And we'll bring out chairs, umbrellas, towels, water to the sand for you and back in every day. So you'll have, a beach service. We have oceanfront cabanas as well.
How many cabanas will you have?
So we have 14 cabanas that will have available.
Are they for sale already or not yet?
So they will be available for sale to the owners. In addition to our cabanas, we also have our yacht club membership. So we have 19 slips available for sale and one for the entire building to use as well.
How big they are?
The sizes, I can get those for you.
Okay, just curious.
Yes.
Like, I know you guys in the beginning of the project and you don't have that much information.
Yes, so this is
it's always like that. And I can tell you from my experience, this is the best time for the clients. Not everybody understands that because they don't see all details, like even for the sizes of, for example, prices of cabanas, sizes of the docks. They want to get all information right away.
And we will have all the information, available for the residences as soon as possible.
Yeah, of course.
But we released units November 1st, so this is the first initial release. So we're super excited. We have sent out a handful of contracts as well.
Congrats on that.
Thank you. Here we're gonna have so many amenities. Like on our 4th floor, this is completely private for the residences. So it's 20,000 square feet of outdoor amenities and 12,000 square feet of indoor amenities. So some of the indoor amenities include our movement center, our oceanfront gym, sauna, steam room, massage room. Here on the amenity deck, we have a beautiful walkway, sunbathing deck, infinity pool, open air cabanas. And then we'll have the dining components for the residences on the 4th floor.
Oh, really? So we're right here?
No, here on the 4th floor. And we'll also have our signature Peacock Alley Lounge. It's a Waldorf staple for the residences to use only.
Okay, nice. Let me ask you while I have that question on my mind. Balcony, how deep they are right
10 feet balcony. So our balcony, so we have floor-to-ceiling glass windows from everywhere in the building, which is absolutely beautiful. 10 feet deep balconies also throughout the building. Each residence has private elevators, foyers into their units. And we actually have a sample of the finishes of what it'll feel like when you step out, how we'll finish it. Yes.
After. And since you start saying about elevators, how many of them? Like you have service elevators as well?
So we have service elevators as well, in addition to the units. So they're semi-private as well. They'll open up on either side, but your foyer is completely private for you.
Okay, and corner units, if you want to enjoy sunrise and the sunset, is there any buildings on the west side that you have to go?
So I always say, so from levels 5, 6, 7, you still have intracoastal views, but you have slivers of intracoastal. As you get up above 12, you have unobstructed intracoastal views. So the higher up you go, you have even more expansive. And the intracoastal is absolutely beautiful here. We also have a Pompano air park. And it's nice because at night you can see the lights and planes flying in and out, but none of the noise because it's not, they're private planes.
It's a great feature. Like people who live in the south of 5th, in Miami Beach, they enjoy seeing the cruise.
Oh, the cruise ships, that's incredible,
going out of port. And some of those people, they do buy units there because they want to see it, you know. And here is also one of the features you mentioned that only local people
can know about it.
Yeah,
it's super exciting.
And to have option to see sunset and sunrise, I mean, it's something unique.
And then to have all the amenities at your fingertips and all the services, you don't even have to leave your unit. You can order, you know, for the services, like if you wanted to order something from the restaurant up to your unit, you can do that as well.
Perfect.
So it's just nice having everything at your fingertips.
Sounds exciting. Let's see the finishes.
Of course.
Unit comes finished, as I can see. Please give us details.
So we do offer finished kitchens and primary baths. So here in the kitchen, we have custom Italian cabinetry designed by Bamo. So we have fully integrated Sub-Zero and Wolf packages. This is our Sub-Zero freezer, refrigerator, lots of storage space.
I was looking at that snack.
Clients will also be able to choose between the cabinets whether they want a glass look or a wood
and the
look.
Colors you can choose, right?
So I'm going to have some selections for clients later on as well.
And the stone as well?
So these are going to be our marble countertops. We'll also have another selection of quartz, but this is the true finish.
Okay. Great.
Standard ceiling heights are going to be 9'8" and all the, I'm sorry, 9'10". I'm sorry, 9'10". Standard ceiling heights are going to be 9'10" in the units. You're going to have amazing ocean views from your kitchen. You're going to be able to look out, enjoy, you know, cooking while looking at the scenery.
I like the width of that kitchen island.
Yeah, it's a beautiful design. If you see here, it's at an angle. And then we'll also include floors, so clients will have their selections to choose from the stone floors as well.
Okay, and only stone floors or?
Stone, yes.
Okay, and that kitchen that we are right now, is that 2-bedroom, 4-bedroom?
So this is the true size kitchen for our 3 and 4 bedroom floor plans. The 2-bedroom will also have all the same features, just a little bit different sizing.
Okay, how about backsplash? It comes?
It's also marble.
It comes the way we see it. Okay.
Yes, as you see it.
Just want to double
check. Lots of deep storage space throughout the unit. Again, this is custom Italian cabinetry, so.
I like it. I have the same one at home.
Oh, you do? This is super organized. I love it.
So, Rita, can you please give us details about the payment structure, floor plans, pricing, and everything that you can share?
So here at Waldorf, we have a collection of 2, 3, and 4 bedroom floor plans. Our deposit structure is 20% at signing, 10% a year later, which is our groundbreaking, and 5% a year from then, which is 2025.
So it's only 35%, right?
In the first 2 years. The balance will be due at closing.
Okay.
So our prices start from $2.5 million. We have the floor plans. We have 4 units per floor. The corner units are 4-bedroom plus den. Those are flow-throughs. We have direct ocean views from our 3-bedroom stack as well, and incredible city and intracoastal views from our 2-bedroom stack.
Okay. So deposit, it's 35%, and you have to come up with a 65%, and you can get, of course.
Yeah, so closing is going to be
mortgage.
in 2026.
2026, okay.
And we'll also offer at the end lenders that we work with. If anybody does need in-house financing, we'll have somebody that will be able to refer who's worked with the developers before as well.
Okay, that's a good point. And you said the construction is going to start 2024. Is there any, like Q1, Q2?
So we don't have exactly a time frame, but it's estimated to be in 2024. And then a year from then, after we break ground, we'll be topped off. And then we will be completed in 2026.
Okay. And what about sizes of the units? 2, 3, 4 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms starts from how many?
So the 2 bedrooms are 2,097 interior square feet. Our 3 bedrooms are 2,881 interior square feet. And our 4 bedrooms, the south side is 3,500 interior square feet, and the north side is a little bit bigger, 3,557. And every unit has their own den as well, so 3 bedrooms plus den, 2 bedrooms plus den.
And how many parking? Is that assigned parking?
So it's going to be valet parking, and they will have assigned valet spaces for every units. And we are pet friendly as well.
Okay, there is no restrictions, any pets?
There's no restrictions, just I guess no aggressive breeds.
Yeah.
So right now there's Waldorf Astorias that are hotel and residential components or hotel components, but this is the first standalone boutique residential Waldorf Astoria. So from the moment, like I said, you have double the services, double the amenities. From the moment you walk in, you'll be greeted doorman, bellman, 24-hour concierge service, valet, security. You'll be able to go to the restaurants and even order and charge it to your unit. So those are...
This is exactly what some of our clients are lately looking for, to have hotel services, right? But without
all the
tourist traffic, let's put it that way, you know.
With the sense of privacy and security as well. And that's what we want to offer here. The sense of security, privacy with all the amenities at your fingertips. You'll also be able to go to the beach. You'll have chairs, umbrellas, towels, water. You'll be able to order from the restaurants onto the beach. So that's also super exciting. We'll have a bar on the sand as well, which I can show you on the scale model.
And you said it comes with the restaurant, right? And how many restaurants?
So we have 2 dining components that will be open to the public and 2 private for the residences only.
So 4?
4.
Wow.
Yes. So that's going to
impressive.
be, yes. And then in addition to that, we'll also have light bites available for clients. So from the moment you walk in, you'll have light bites coffee available 24 hours in the building as well.
And I can tell you it's very interesting and it's pretty unique that you're going to have 2 restaurants for the public and 2 for the residents only. Because sometimes when I see buildings with the restaurants only for the residents, you go there and it seems pretty, how to say that, pretty boring, you know, like.
So this
but when you have when you have options,
elevate this entire area. I mean, this is going to be the first, you know, Waldorf Astoria residences here in Pompano. I mean, Pompano, this is going to elevate this entire area. And truly, you know, you're going to be able to now not only go to the restaurants here, but where we're located in Pompano, we're right in the middle. So if you did want to go to Fort Lauderdale or Boca, it's just a great location. So
yeah, and I've heard schools are good. One of my clients are actually looking for that area just because of the schools.
Yes, there's actually a couple of great schools in the area as well. Perfect. So here we have our finished primary bath. We include terrazzo flooring, marble clad.
I love that flooring.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Marble clad walls, marble countertops, and this is absolutely stunning. We have like a glitter to it, do you see?
Yeah, I can see.
We've also added integrated medicine cabinets as well.
It's good to have it. Yeah, it's exciting.
Spacious shower, 2 water closets as well.
And it's a steam shower?
It's not a steam shower, but that's something that maybe can later on be.
Okay. Because I see there is like a bench. It's also.
And then our bathtub is designed by Bamo as well.
Yeah, I like all these neat lines. What about this part right here?
So you will have that cutout in the unit for art, as well as the cutout for the light fixtures. The sconces are also included.
That part right here?
Yes.
Okay. And I like the cutouts right here.
And it's such a spacious shower, 2 shower heads, again, 2 water closets, separated vanities.
Perfect. And the size of the...
This is the true size for all the units for the bath.
Wow.
Just in the 2 bedrooms, there's 1 water closet instead of 2.
Okay. And the color of the cabinets, maybe you said...
So there's no selections here. Okay. This is the final...
Oh, look, it's not the...
Yeah, they've chosen the best of the best.
It's not the... Yeah, that's the bed option, so it's beautiful. Great. Let's take a look at location.
Yes.
By the way, I've seen there's a light point, right?
Yeah, so we have the Hillsborough Lighthouse just north of us, as well as our Pompano Pier. And the pier is absolutely stunning. We have 4 restaurants right walking distance on the sand.
Okay.
We've added
I think I've been there. It's new. It was recently built or something?
Yeah, so we have Oceanic Beach House. We've added Kilwins. There's a new taco spot here. So there's a lot of exciting things to do just walking distance.
Nice, beautiful.
From the beach back to the
That's why we love it.
So I mean, look at the sense of privacy here. There's not too many people. You can even see the lighthouse.
Wow,
so you have the Pompano Pier, you have the lighthouse. You have the Fort Lauderdale Pier right there, Lauderdale by the Sea. So we're right in the middle. And there's no way you can access this beach without living in one of these residential high-rises here.
And I see there is no public parking.
There's no public parking here. You have to be closer to the Pompano Pier for public parking.
It's good to have that privacy.
Sense of
Not
privacy.
a lot of people.
And the city does a great job with maintaining our beach as well, like raking the sand.
It's clean. And the size of the lot is?
So we have 2 oceanfront acres.
2 oceanfront acres. Beautiful. Great. Greta, thank you very much for presentation.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for coming.
Guys, if you have any questions left about that project, please reach out to me or to my team. Subscribe to our channel, comment, and buy real estate with us. Guys, if you'd like to stay updated with all real estate trends in Miami market, as well with every new development projects, subscribe to our newsletter. We have weekly emails with every detail on what's happening in Miami.